I'm Jim Branson. I'm the Deputy Director here at WVRC. Our organization has been in business for over 50 years, serving people with disabilities and making their lives better. Our primary focus is giving people employment and employment opportunities. And we've been working with the students with OSU and the Mechanical Engineering Department for the past 5 years on assistive technology devices. And they've come up with some very unique and thoughtful ideas, and it seems to be a program that we will continue to hope great things for, as we have seen great things in the past from them. Let's go inside and see what the engineers came up with this year.
And we need cleaning tools that have a corn dog, a tongue depressor, or a pop stick, or dowels to wrap fabric around, tooling or netting. And then we staple it, make it nice and tight and flat for them. Some of the issues that we have with doing that with the clients is their hands get tired, sore, and they need something to help assist their hands to be able to have more control over the stick while they're wrapping it. Trying to get the tension on it, to get it tight, to get it nice and straight. They need more than 2 hands to be able to do that, to get that finished product to be at 100%. To have that tool for them to use is really important.
Hi, I'm Nathan Berge from the team Accessible Innovations. And this is a product that we developed to help our associates at WVRC wrap sticks. Some of the features on our device include these ergonomic handles, which are mounted to toggle clamps. So we incorporated standard handles onto these devices so that they're intuitive to use and ergonomic for extended use. On the left, we have a different style of handle that is intended for possibly operating with your forearm, so that perhaps if you're lacking the gripping strength to operate a standard handle, you can just bump this in and out without a problem. Also included on our product are these clear indications, which make it easier to use and will reduce inconsistencies in the product. We include markers for 4-inch fabric and 6-inch fabric, which are the 2 sizes most commonly used at WVRC. And we also included a warning so that people keep their hands away from the clamp while they're closing it, which should improve safety and avoid accidents. You can remove this plastic top and adjust the guidelines if the manufacturing processes were to change in the future, or if you wanted to include specific directions for certain clients. The last feature we included on the device are these removable table stops. So this allows you to plop the device over the edge of the table and anchor it into place. We noticed that we needed this feature during a visit to WVRC to get feedback on our design. So as you can see, I can just push forward and I don't have to worry about this sliding away from it. We decided to base our design around a single piece of aluminum U-channel. This was done to reduce manufacturing time, increase durability, and also allow us to produce this nice surface finish, which is aesthetically pleasing. We conducted several experiments to determine the best surface type, the best rolling direction, and whether or not to include physical guides that protrude from the device. So we were considering having a raised bump that you butt the stick up against, but this ended up not providing any significant benefit to the user. So we ended up not going with it in the end. We also chose a smooth surface rather than a rough surface because it made the fabric easier to manipulate to account for small corrections that need to be made as you're rolling the stick up. And lastly, we tested the rolling direction. So we were curious to see whether rolling the stick towards you in this direction or rolling the stick away from you in this direction would be best in terms of quality and speed. And there was no significant difference, so in order to be most compatible with their current processes, we kept in direction towards the user.
We always needed these because we need them because our sticks, we had to do them all by hand, and it took us a long time to get them all situated the way that the customer wanted them. And if the customer doesn't like them the way they like them, then they send them back to us and we could redo them again.